It's the hot topic in real estate. Interest rates are expected to drop in 2024, and Kay is joining us to talk about the predictions.
With us today is Nelson Oyatamari, branch manager with Primary Residential Mortgage. Last year, we had some fun and informative conversations about reverse mortgages, alternative financing options, and other fun stuff. And as we begin 2024, all we want to know is one thing. Where will mortgage interest rates be this year?
Obviously, no one knows for sure, but, based on economic indicators and comments by the Federal Reserve, our best guess is mortgage rates may be in the 5 to mid-5s by this coming summer. And we also think that the Federal Reserve will start reducing the Fed funds rate. What that means, it'll help consumer products like credit cards, HELOCs, and auto loans get lower rates. So it's going to be a good year.
Okay, so the mid 5% range. You don't see us getting back to the incredible 2 or 3% range?
I would certainly welcome being wrong if rates did indeed drop to those levels. But Kay, it's really highly unlikely. But don't make fun of 5.5%, because if someone got a $500,000 mortgage last year at, let's say, 7.5%, and they refinanced today at 5.5%, their monthly payment would drop by about $650. It's a substantial savings.
No, it is, for sure. So, if your prediction of lower rates is correct, and we hope it is, I would imagine you're gearing up and getting ready for a refinance boom to help our recent home buyers lower their monthly payments.
We certainly are gearing up. But the more important question is, are recent home buyers getting ready? The unfortunate fact is many don't think about all of the details that go into mortgage financing until they actually need it. So the interest rate they get and the cost of that interest rate is based on their financial profile at that time. So the good news is, with this anticipated rate drop later this year, many have the opportunity now to work on things like increasing your credit score, getting documentation in order, maybe not changing jobs just yet, maybe filing their income taxes early, and the list goes on and on. So here's a quick example. Let's say you and John Veneri, you seek advice early and you work on things to get your credit score to 780. But John doesn't plan ahead, but why should he? He pays his bills on time, does everything correct, and he has a very good score of 759. So later this year, you both refinance a $500,000 mortgage, let's say, and you get the same interest rate. But because his credit score is 21 points lower, John's closing costs may be higher by about $3,000. Now, there are many other factors that go into determining interest rates and the cost of that rate, but this is a good illustration of the benefit of planning ahead.
Obviously, it can make a difference. But how does someone go about just starting the whole process?
Well, they always should seek advice from their trusted mortgage lender, or they can simply go online to BeRefiReady.com. We understand the benefit of planning ahead, so we put together a program that works with homeowners to analyze their current profile, and we make thoughtful suggestions to put them in the best possible refinance position. And there's absolutely no cost or obligation to do this.
And before we go, I know you have a number of informational seminars on multiple mortgage topics. You have anything coming up?
We do, but the best way to find out is go to HawaiiLender.com and click on the Events tab for more information on all of our classes, which also includes information on our community service events.
Thank you to Nelson Oyatamari from Primary Residential Mortgage for all the very helpful information. HawaiiLender.com.
Correct.
If you have any questions for Nelson or his team, give us a call at 808-725-2000. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Engel Invokers Honolulu is here to help you live Akamai.
All right. Well, there you guys go. Again, we have more information on KHON2.com, including past Living Akamai segments with Kei Mukaigawa. And make sure, if you guys are free on a Saturday, you guys hit her up. You guys can attend one of those seminars because there's a lot of information to be learned.
Yes, and we'll have their info on our website, KHON2.com.
That's right.